Good day. The purpose of this video is so that we can understand how to drag and drop quizzes into Moodle. Now the assumption is you do have instructor resources or access to them from your publisher. Okay, so this example we're going to take a look at Pearson, but of course each publisher has their own instructor resources, but we'll use this as an example. So we're going to log in. Typically there's some sort of somewhere you do have to sign in, so do make sure that you have access. If you don't have access, I would just talk to your publisher and they can get you access. Sometimes you can just do it online. Okay, so once we are in, you can see I'm already in. Well, we're going to take a look at and try and find a textbook that has quizzes that we can quickly drag and drop. So of course every textbook is different. Not all of them do have the resources, but we'll take a look at just a couple. So here if we go into tourism, for instance, Introduction to Tourism, here's a textbook. And what most of us are familiar with when we go to resources are the instructor manual, PowerPoint presentations. Okay, so that's typical. But something more updated or current is the ability to not just have test bank questions that are typically found in a Word file document, but now they do have them so they are specific to the LMS system and you can drag and drop. So in this case, we're looking for Moodle. So if we go to Moodle Test Bank, click on that, and there's going to be a little disclaimer. We'll accept. And what we have done is we've actually downloaded a file, and these files are easily going to be downloaded into Moodle. So we'll take a look at that file in just one moment, but let's go to Moodle. And for instance, let's look for Introduction to Tourism. Now we want to import these questions, so we're going to go to Question Bank, Import. Now, some of us are familiar with this. I know most of us are familiar with the Akin format. That's typically the format that we would use if we were using a text file or we convert it from Word. But in this case, and let me show you the file. So this is the file that we downloaded from the instructor resource, the home page there. And as you can see, it's actually an XML format. Okay, so here, look at that. We have a Moodle XML format, okay, which is perfect. So what we can do now, again, this is the beauty. We can just take this, drag and drop. That's chapter 1. Okay, we will import. And you can see here, we have them all imported quite quickly. Click on continue, and then voila, you have it in there. And of course, you can make different categories for each chapter. Okay, but those ones right here are the ones I just submitted. So that's it. So yeah, just make sure you do have access. Talk to your publisher, seeing if you have those resources, but that's what you're looking for. You're basically looking for something along the lines of an XML format. Okay, now there are other courses, for instance, here we have business communications. They also have that same format. Okay, so just take a look with your publisher and hopefully you do have those resources. I hope that helps. Thank you very much.